Hi everyone, welcome to the Effective Listening module within the Level 2 training. I'm going to do an exercise with y'all. I'm going to read a couple of paragraphs and then you are going to answer some questions based on what I've said. You listen to this video only once and then answer the questions, okay? It is the day of a midterm examination in a course called Listening Effectively. The students have their pens and test booklets ready to write answers for the questions the instructor will ask them. The instructor begins. Because this is a class in listening, your test will consist of 3 questions. I will ask them only once. I will not repeat them. After all, this is a course on listening. The first question is, what are the major barriers to listening? Just then, there is a commotion in the back of the classroom when a male student pushes another student out of a chair onto the floor and sits in the chair himself. The second student gets up from the floor, yanks the first student's cap from his head, and heads toward the door with the first student in hot pursuit. The instructor shouts at them to stop, but they pay him no heed. In fact, the second student turns and makes an obscene gesture to the instructor and the class. As the other students are trying to grasp what has happened, the teacher continues. The second question is, what are 9 bad habits of listening? Finally, the teacher says, because listening requires observation, the third question is, tell in your own words, with as much detail as possible, what just happened involving the 2 students who just left the room. Now answer the questions, okay?